Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to check how many GB the software is having. For example, I want to check Fortnite. So how to check how many GB the games is having. You need to go to Nintendo eShop. So going there. So choosing my user. So for example, I just want to search any games, right? I want to check the GB. So I'm entering into that. Select any games. So here, right, you can see these options. See here, record space is 13.7 GB. So this game is having 13.7 GB. The same way I'm going to check Fortnite game. So going back, going to search Fortnite. So pressing plus buttons for searching. So here Fortnite, already I have installed it. So once you are inside, right, just scroll down, and here you can see this Fortnite game is 9.5 GB. So this is the way you can check any games record this space. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much. Bye.